they just had a major one. Like, look at those tails. They're having some serious fighting tonight. I've never seen them quite that aggressive before. Look. Seems to be different. Evidently, their relationship is shifted. Oh, Jack, he's a little festy. Got a little vinegar in him. He still wants some more. Yeah, I've never seen him go at it like this before. Look at Ava just laying on her back, defending herself. And look at Jack. In between rounds, he cleans himself. It's quite entertaining, huh?